Hello dear Aquarius, welcome back to my channel and this is your mid-month love reading. So let's dive in. Please know that this is only a love reading. If you want to know about your career or general life, another video has already been posted on my channel. Please go and check out the general reading. This reading is for all the singles, for all the situationship people, relationship people and also people in marriage. Okay, so we're going to take out two cards. Okay. Let's see. I see that there is a new beginning. I see that there is life is coming full circle for you. Let's clarify more. Yes, definitely. Aquarius, I think after a difficult time in your life where you have gone through breakups, where you have gone through a very stuck energy, I feel like you're finally moving on. Okay, why I say that is, uh, okay, you have mixed cards actually, but why I say this is you have one of moons and you have two of one of suns and two of moons. See, both the cards are very happy cards. One card, two of moons, it talks about relationships, it talks about partnership, and it talks about attraction. Which means if you're already in a relationship or marriage, you are very happy with this person, right? There's a lot of peace and harmony in your relationship. If you're attracted to this person, then you're very attracted to this person. You feel a lot of love for this person. With the one of suns here, I see that there's a new beginning, there's a new start. You can see that, somebody like these seeds are finally growing out and becoming, turning into wheat. This is like wheat, bajra, whatever this is, right? So basically, a new plant is growing, the seed that you had sown in the past. So something is growing out of it. So I do feel that your love or attraction towards a particular person is growing, and I do see potential in this relationship, right? Let's clarify more with Nostradamus if there is any other message for you in this. Yeah, definitely birth and beginning of a new relationship. So I do see that something is beginning to develop. I do see that maybe a new relationship is beginning and therefore it is, all hunky-dory, new start, very happy vibes from the both of you. So I do see a very happy, new energy in your reading. Let's get to the other cards, which is the Fortune's Wheel and the Four of Stars. So some of you could clearly be dealing with a Libran. It doesn't have to be. It could be that their sun sign is Libran or moon or rising sign, which you're not aware of. That is something you'll get to know only if you know about their birth details and you can check in the birth chart. Now this reading is applied to Aquarius, which is sun, moon and rising. So if you're a sun sign Aquarius, moon sign Aquarius or rising sign Aquarius, this reading still applies to you. With the fortune's wheel here, I see that your life is coming full circle, which means your karmic cycle in the past that happened, the breakup that happened, the marriage that broke up, all that is happening because that was supposed to happen. You had some karmic cycle with that person now, which is coming to an end, and the fortune's wheel is taking its turn and turning towards a brighter tomorrow, right? Which means your life is going to get better from here. But I do see that somewhere you are sort of withdrawn. I do see that with the Four of Stars, you have a withdrawn energy. You still are like somewhere thinking about it, or maybe you're not able to invest properly in this new relationship. I do feel that. I do feel, see, this person, he's still sad, right? So I do feel that you are still sad about what happened in the past. But you actually wish that things could have turned out differently, but that is what these cards are trying to tell you that they couldn't have, right? Because that was the life cycle. That is how it was supposed to happen. Now you don't know what has happened in your previous lifetimes. You don't know, you might have hurt that person. That person has come back to take their revenge, right? In this life, you have now settled your karmic debt with that person. So now it's like a fortune's wheel. You see, I like to show it to you. It's a life cycle. So man eats hens, hens eat something else, they eat insects, and somebody eats us also. It's like a cycle that happens, and this is something we learn inside. So I think that you have to come out of yourself. I can also see that maybe if this is not your situation, maybe if there's no new beginning of love in your life, then I feel that the cards are trying to tell you that you can begin a new life now. You can begin a new love life now. You can get into a relationship. I feel that you have taken a break and you're spending time in solitude, right? You're spending time alone and you're like, I can't do relationships anymore. I can't get married again. It is too much to take. It is too hurtful, right? The cards are telling you that you have to come out of that mourning phase of yours, of that sad and alone and lonely phase of yours, right? And you have to start living your life again. This card, the One of Suns cards, talks about birth and beginning. That means it's now a birth of your new life, right? Whatever has happened in the past, forget about it. Move forward. Have a new life. Make a new life. Start meeting new people. Get into a relationship again. It's okay if that also doesn't work out. So what? This is how it's supposed to be. The fortune's wheel has to constantly move. No, you can't stop living your life, right? So that was the message for you, Aquarius. I hope you resonated with it, and I hope you took the positive message out of it. And if you think that this is exactly what is happening in your life, then please do comment and let me know. And also do like, share, and subscribe my channel. All right, and I'm going to see you soon. Bye bye.